Earning $100,000 or even $200,000 in America does not guarantee you're actually building wealth. In fact, many people hitting these income brackets are still experiencing severe financial stress and living paycheck to paycheck. We're handed a very specific set of instructions early on. Go to school, get a good job, work hard, get promoted, buy a house, buy a car, pay your bills, and hopefully one day retire. This diagram illustrates lifestyle creep. As the income pipe grows, expenses instantly expand to match. Instead of investing, extra money flows out into bigger houses, cars, and debt. Kiyosaki calls this continuous loop the rat race. You earn more, spend more, and need more. When your entire financial survival relies on your next paycheck, a higher salary doesn't create freedom. It simply creates a more expensive trap. The only way to break out of this loop is to understand the mechanics of cash flow. And that starts with knowing the actual difference between an asset and a liability. This graphic illustrates an asset. An asset is simply a system, like an investment property, that continuously puts money in your pocket and fills your net worth. A liability is the exact opposite, a system that continuously drains money out, like an auto loan. Everyday items like houses or cars aren't automatically good or bad investments. It depends entirely on the direction of their cash flow. A car with heavy depreciation, expensive insurance, and high maintenance costs is a liability. A property generating positive rental yield is an asset. Income is not the same thing as wealth. True wealth is determined entirely by how well you control the directional flow of your money. Look at Ray Kroc, the man who turned McDonald's into a global empire. He used to ask business students what business they thought he was in. They always assumed he was in the hamburger business. Kroc knew that selling burgers was simply the consumer product. The primary wealth engine of McDonald's was its real estate and franchising systems. He used the restaurants as a vehicle to acquire prime land. Apply that logic to your own life. You have a day job, which belongs to your employer and pays your current bills. Then you have your personal business, your investments, properties, and portfolios, which builds your long-term wealth. This is why Kiyosaki emphasizes working to learn. You don't just mine your day job for a paycheck. You use it to acquire high-leverage skills like sales, communication, and negotiation that you can then extract and apply directly to your own financial portfolio. Your career keeps the lights on today, but only your independently built portfolio of assets can secure your future. If the mechanical rules of wealth are this simple, why do so few people successfully escape the trap? The friction isn't mathematical, it's psychological. Fear causes people to panic and sell their investments the moment the market drops. Doubt creates a paralysis of what-ifs. What if the market crashes? What if I make a mistake? That prevents people from ever taking action in the first place. Then there's laziness disguised as hustle. You can work 60 hours a week and still be lazy if you are using that busy schedule as an excuse to avoid learning how to invest your money or optimize your taxes. And finally, ego. Pretending you understand debt, complex tax codes, or business fundamentals when you actually don't is extremely expensive. Admitting ignorance and seeking out basic financial education saves you from devastating mistakes. Human emotion and our own behavioral blind spots are the single biggest points of failure in any personal financial system. The most effective defense against your own psychology is a systemic habit called paying yourself first. Watch how it works mechanically. A predetermined percentage automatically routes into an asset account the moment your paycheck clears. The remaining balance then drops down. Building your lifestyle strictly around what is left over forces financial discipline and prevents lifestyle creep. Financial independence is achieved through an automated foundation that generates its own momentum, eventually removing the requirement to trade labor for a paycheck. Navigating these assets, identifying liabilities, and building those automated systems requires knowing how the financial machine really operates. Subscribe to Credit IQ and learn how to protect and build your wealth.